Namaskar, hello, vanakkam. I actually did not want to do a video on this particular case until such time that there was a serious development in the Supreme Court. But seeing so many great people putting out videos every day with the sole agenda of misleading students, I realized there is a serious need to put out the true picture. Facts, seedhi baat, no bakwas. The petition has been filed, as you know, by students from over 15 states. This was filed last week through child rights activist Anubha Srivastava Sahai. And yesterday, their advocate Prashant Padmanabhan in the Supreme Court mentioned the matter before the Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana. He's N.V. Ramana. My dear friends from North India have made him N.V. Raman. Raman is different, Ramana is different. N.V. Ramana comes from the Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and it's not such a complicated surname that you need to remove the A and make him an Raman. C.V. Raman होते थे, ये N.V. Ramana है. I hope I'm making it very clear. South Indian surnames और names को इस तरह से spoil ना कीजिए. Then Justice N.V. Ramana said, let the petition be heard by Justice Khanvilkar's bench. Now, you may be interested in knowing that the board examinations के जितने भी cases हुए हैं last year, they were all heard by Justice Khanvilkar's bench. Last summer, he had favored the cancellation of the exams because उस time पे COVID का second wave का भारी प्रकोप चल रहा था, right? So that was heard by Justice Khanvilkar's bench. ऑल्सो द सेमेस्टर 1 टर्म 1 का केस जो नवंबर दिसंबर में होने थे एग्जाम्स, उसका केस भी नवंबर में जस्टिस खानविलकर्स बेंच ओनली हर्ड, बट दैट वन ही डिसमिस्ड एंड सेड ऑफलाइन एग्जामिनेशंस विल बी हेल्ड. सो the point I'm making is that he understands this subject. He understands the history of the subject and what happened in the past. Okay. Now, so once Chief Justice Ramana said that, Justice Khanvilkar's bench will hear it. So that is what was happening today. Yesterday, somebody's called it a historic decision, a historical day. अगर ऐसी हिस्ट्री बनने लग गई तो फिर हिस्ट्री बहुत बड़ी हो जाएगी. Please understand legal procedure. It is the right of every person in this country for his case, for his petition to be heard by any court of the land. The hearing taking place is not historic. The verdict may be historic, something out of the box. But hearing is something which is your, mine, and everyone's fundamental right. I should be heard by the court in the country, right? So let's get certain facts clear, because the moment you say historic, students समझते हैं अरे something big is happening. You know, students को एक false hope मिलता है. Those students who are preparing for their exam seriously, they also get into a doubt कि क्या exams नहीं होने वाले हैं, क्या पढ़ाई जारी रखनी चाहिए या नहीं. So let's not kind of, for the sake of unnecessary kind of creating a hype, let's not mislead the students. So today Justice Khanvilkar said his bench will hear the case tomorrow. What did the advocate Prashant Padmanabhan say? He said that the same problem is persisting for the last 2 years. Even though the COVID situation has improved, offline classes have not been held, which is a fact in many cases, though now with the reopening, especially from the first week of February, many schools have been conducting offline classes. Okay, so that's a fact on the ground. So Justice Khanvilkar said the first opportunity will be given to the CBSE to respond. So advance petition copy served on the CBSE. So tomorrow CBSE will come and respond in the Supreme Court to what the petitioners have said. The CBSE will have to say why it wants to conduct the term 2 board examinations from the 26th of April. After that, the CISE lawyer, the NIOS lawyer, or any other state boards could also make their case. That has not been decided yet. Justice Khanvilkar said, let the CBSE speak first. So on 23rd of February, only the CBSE will present its case. The petitioners, what have the petitioners asked for? The petitioners want an alternative assessment method instead of physical examinations. Okay, what does this alternative assessment method mean? When I asked Anubha Srivastava Sahai on what she actually meant, because she is the petitioner in the case, her reply was the alternative assessment method can be decided by the individual boards, CBSE, Council, NIOS, state boards, whatever. It should be a combination of term 1, semester 1 examination performance and past year performance. Okay. Now, I am not so sure if students by and large will be happy with this, because if I am a student who has not done the term 1 semester 1 examinations very well, right, in November, December, I will be looking for an opportunity to improve on it and make my average of the two exams better, right? Or if my past year performance has not been very good, will I be happy with an alternative assessment method? I don't know. I'm just putting the facts on the table. This could be a bit of a problematic area. Not everyone will be happy with this. हाँ, मैंने अच्छा किया हो सेमेस्टर 1 टर्म 1 एग्जामिनेशंस, देन आई कैन से दैट ओके टाटा बाय बाय, बुक्स को टाटा बाय बाय बोल दो, अभी मेरे उसी के बेसिस पे मेरे को डबल करके मार्क्स दे दो. ओके, नाउ I have reported on the Supreme Court. I have reported on 3 high courts in the country: Madras High Court, Karnataka High Court, and Andhra Pradesh High Court. So thoda bahut experience hai. Okay, so I can tell you what may happen in the court tomorrow. Petitioners, that is Anubha Srivastava through her lawyer Prashant Padmanabhan, will press the fact that it is not safe to conduct the examinations right now. An alternative assessment method should be given. Justice Khanvilkar, since he is aware of the subject, he will ask the situation on the ground to the CBSE Council. He could ask whether there were any cases of COVID infection when the term 1 semester 1 examinations were held in November, December of 2021, right? He will also ask whether teaching has been done satisfactorily, whether students are in a position to take this examination in the month of starting from the last week of April, and whether there is any merit in seeking cancellation of exam. So he will seek the opinion of the CBSE कि बताओ हमें कि जो भी याचिका दायर की गई है उसके रिस्पॉन्स में आपका पोजीशन क्या है. What is the CBSE likely to say? CBSE will make the point that the exams have been postponed by 2 months. Normally end of February में एग्जाम्स शुरू हो जाते हैं, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. नाउ उसको मार्च अप्रैल एंड में पोस्टपोन कर दिया है. दैट इज 1 month मार्च, 2 months 26th of April से शुरू होंगे. So that means 2 months of extra time has been given to the students to revise and prepare their syllabus, and also to the teachers to finish their syllabus in case in some schools the syllabus has not been completed. That is likely to be the CBSE's point of view. The same thing is likely to be said by the council's point of view also the NIOs or the state boards. So that is what is the position on the case. I hope with this short video I managed to provide some clarity कि सच क्या है. सच जानना बहुत जरूरी है. That's very important. And here our tagline is truth. That's all that matters. And please do not think there will be a verdict immediately. Okay, he will listen to both sides. Both sides have to be heard before Justice Khanvilkar's bench pronounces a verdict. Okay, so don't think कि hearing हो गई या hearing की तारीख तय होगी उसी टाइम पे verdict आ जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Our judiciary does not work so fast, and it's only fair that both sides, all the sides, should be given an opportunity to present their case. Okay, thank you very much for watching.